We're officially in. It smells very new, like fresh paint. It took us about 15, really like 10-15 minutes to get in. Yeah. Good job. Open floor plan.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're in the linen section.
Should we get today?
I have no idea. Should we go start from the left?
Okay.
I mean the right?
Yeah. The camera looks so much wider than mine.
You want to switch?
Nah, I'm good.
It does look wider.
Can we have this? You didn't bring this to me.
Alright. Let's see. This is a very nice table. What'd you say?
Guess how much it is?
I'm gonna say it's $400.
200?
400.
$4.99. Good job.
Thank you. Only 25% off. I like these wooden tables.
Another kitchen.
So simple and nice.
I like this one. Oh, this is like a black furniture.
Like a morbid looking one. Just kidding. Close the door, honey. I see some bagels. Whoa, this is oh, that looks so real.
Prop. Bagel. Is this real?
You tell me. Here's one of my favorite, very simple kitchen setup. Colored cabinets. Provides a lot of contrast. Simple white subway tiles with clear open cabinets. I heard this is your favorite kitchen. Why is it your favorite?
Because it has a kitchen island. I like the cabinets on the right side.
Ah,
It looks a little busy over there.
uh-huh. Too much stuff. This looks like those cooking shows. Can you do some cooking for us? I like these olive cabinets. Look at this. It's a leather pool. Oh, it's a dishwasher. So which one's your favorite then?
I think I would like this one.
This tiny one?
You know what?
This one is very interesting.
These Dell computers are cool. Monitors. I like this wood, like light color.
I think everything looks nicer in IKEA because they have no ceiling. But imagine if it's like this, it looks regular.
For a pancake.
Are you gonna cook something else for us? Great show. Check out this place.
A tiny kitchen island right here.
I have that too.
Yeah, you do.
So this is a studio setup.
Ah. Okay.
Decoration.
Ah.
Like all the other IKEAs, they also have a photo frame decoration setup.
I like this.
Here we have a garage room. That's for your Tesla. This is for all your tools.
Shooting stopped. iPhone storage is full.
It's like an entry foyer. This is where you store your shoes. So you don't want this? You can't just walk in like that.